So right now we're at a big fire. I'm just organizing the trailer on my lunch break. We keep all of our water extraction equipment in here, generators, extension cords. But when we come into a chaotic scene, it ends up getting torn apart. So you gotta redo it all. As you can see here, we did the board up. Did the emergency board up, water extraction, debris removal. That's my white dump truck right there. Those lifts we rented. And what happened was, when we were doing the board up, our guys were up there, and 48 hours after the fire, a hot spot started smoldering when we were up there, probably because we closed everything in, but we had approval by the fire department to do so. And a hot spot started while we were boarding it up. Called the fire department back, it reignited. So the fire department had told us, per their, not recommendation, per what they said, was they wanted all the blown in and bat insulation up in the attic removed. So we've been shoveling that out. I think we were at like 10 tons. And I know that because we bring it to the dump and get it weighed. Then once all the insulation that they're worried about is removed up there, then we go back to tarping. And they said they don't care that rain's coming in the building. It's all getting gutted anyway. And this is coming from the highest ups of Chubb Insurance. This had all water on it. We extracted all this. See, the ceilings are still soaked where the lights were. See all the water damage. This is all getting gutted. All the floors are getting gutted. This whole building will probably be gutted.